today's video, we're going to take this two-wheel drive Dodge D100. We're going to rip the front suspension out of it. We're going to pull the rear end out of it. We're going to cut cross braces out of this truck. And we're going to turn this thing into a four-wheel drive. Why? So I could be up high in the truck and I could see everything around me. Alright, so I'm going to go on YouTube. It shouldn't be too hard. Should be able to figure all this out. I'm sure there's somebody out there that has done this kind of thing before, ripping two-wheel drive suspensions out and putting four-wheel drive suspensions into their Dodge trucks. Hey, this looks good. Duddy's Adventure. Let's watch this one. Tacos. That looked like it hurt. It's not that bad. Whoa, to the kneecap. Oh, that hurt. That looked like it hurt. Oh, that one looked like it hurt too. Like a lot. Ooh. Yeah, it's not good. It's not good. Alright, so visibility. So forget all that 4x4 stuff. We're not going to do that. It looks too painful to do. Anyway, this is my D100 that's lowered. When I bought the truck, the sports mirrors were missing off of it. Luckily, whoever took them off left the screws in the door and the plate on the other side, so I don't have to worry about those parts missing. I bought these mirrors online because I couldn't find anything for this truck. Now, if you've shopped for some, used ones can be pretty expensive, and they're usually crap, you know. I bought some, and I don't know if you can see how rusty that is. Hear the rust? It's pretty crappy and it's all sloppy. And then there's this one, which is not all rusty and sloppy, but it's seized. You can't adjust it. So, and then the posts I got were all pitted and stuff. I ended up putting that, I ended up buying like 2 sets. Took the best posts and the best mirrors and I put it on a truck that I ended up selling to some friends. So I still didn't have any for this truck. But you might know, or if you don't, you're gonna know now, they actually repop the mirrors for these trucks, which is really cool. So that's what I'm gonna do on this video. So I'm gonna put this mirror on here, brand new. Chrome looks sweet. Honestly, the mirror looks too nice for this truck, but I'm gonna put it on anyways. These little mirrors that are on here that I found, I can't see anything out of them. I have no visibility. It's very limited through this mirror. On the other side, I can't see anything because the wing window frame is just totally blocking any view. And plus, given the size of this truck, those things looks like, I don't know, it looks like a T-Rex to me with little tiny hands, you know? Doesn't fit the truck very well. It needs bigger mirrors, but not too big. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put these mirrors on there, and I'll show you what it takes. It's pretty simple. Just got to pull the door panel and some hardware off, get in there, put these on, and you'll get to see how it looks. Oh, one last thing. I ended up buying these on eBay from Vans Auto. I don't know why. They came in a box that said year 1, so I don't know if he buys them from year 1 and then forwards, you know, sends them on or what, or if he just had a year 1 box. But anyway, and they're not cheap. This was about, I think they were about $270, and then after shipping, you're looking at around $300 for a set of mirrors. But at least they come with, or they make, you know, left and right, so left and right hand posts. The mirror part is the same, but yeah, anyway, we'll go through it. So I'm going to see if I can put this on without having to take all the hardware off. It's going to be a little tricky, but I think it could be done. By the way, the kit came with new, they look like stainless steel screws, so it's good. The original screws are actually a little bit longer. I don't think it's going to matter. Alright, so the plate is rotated and the holes aren't showing. I mean, the threads are not aligning to the holes. But because I got this first screw in there, I can kind of turn the plate and line up the holes. Okay. There's the two mirrors. See, this is where you can really tell. I mean, look at how dinky that little mirror looks. Like a T-Rex. Big ass truck, tiny ass mirror. Like I said, that one's completely worthless. I can't see anything through it. That is more right. It's bigger, it fits the truck better. And I could pull those ones off. Look at that, that just looks right. That's awesome. Dinky. All right, I'm gonna pull that off and then do the other side. Just in case somebody likes these mirrors and want to see how it's attached. See, it just grabs the lip of the door, and then it's got some set screws in there holding it tight. And then there's like a screw inside of there that keeps all this tight. I've had it come loose. The other side I think is loose. You go to adjust the mirror and then it breaks loose and you're like, crap. You gotta take the whole, see. So you gotta take the whole thing apart to get in there to tighten that up. So yeah, I'm over those mirrors. So check this out. This is the original mirror. Can you see? There's like a S stamped right there. This is the aftermarket, which also has that S stamped in it. So it looks pretty good. I mean, oops, sorry about that. I mean, they look original. They are just like the factory, only in nice condition. Even the screw heads, check this out. So these two are rivets, and this one's got a screw head on it, probably to adjust the tension on that. And this one's the same, riveted screw head. So I'm really happy with these. Not happy how much I paid for them, but happy with them. I'm going to put Teflon tape on there just to make sure that it, you know, kind of keeps it all tight and stuff. Maybe keep moisture out of there so it doesn't rust either. .7/16. That's nice too. It's actually American, not metric. All right, let's try this again. That was not a factory screw. Duh. Helps when you don't put the mirror on upside down. I'm putting both of those back in so that the plate doesn't, you know, fall over once I take that one out. Okay, so I had to tighten these to get that plate because the plate was falling away from the door panel, the door skin I mean. So I had to tighten it to pull it up so that the screw can catch the threads. Again, I got these from Vans Auto on YouTube. They're not sponsoring me or anything, but it's not what it's about all the time. What do you think? I dig it. Oh man, that's so much nicer. I'm pretty stoked with that. What? You want to hear it run? And you want to see it from that angle? Okay. So I was just wrapping up and I was throwing the old mirrors in the boxes, and then I noticed something. This one is like the brand new set that I bought. This one, it's not. The thread is thicker here on that. Check that out. Alright, so there's two different sizes. So if you're thinking about doing this, make sure, if you're going to use your old posts and you're just getting new mirrors, make sure that you have the smaller size. I have no idea, you know, if this is like an old version and this is a new, or vice versa. I have no idea. But the repops are like this one. So make sure you have the smaller one. If you have the larger one, you're gonna have to buy new posts with it, looks like. Anyway, thought I'd point that out.